Hello guys, welcome to our channel A to Z PCO. We provide one-to-one and group training. You can contact us through the number that is provided on the video and also on the channel. And please subscribe our channel and like our videos. So we're looking into real exam questions. So the next one is Great Western Road to Ifield Road. So let's look into this. So these are our 2 points. So starting from the green and going towards the red. So let's zoom in. Again, this is one of the questions that you will find in the exam as well. So let's start from here. So we need to go down. So come down here and then turn left. And then come down here. So keep going down. Don't touch the sidelines. And just keep going down here, 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 and then from here we'll come down. So just follow this route. Just follow this road, and from here we'll turn left. And let's look into the, just zoom out just to see where the point is, just to be sure. Okay, so yeah, so we need to go down from here. So you can come down here, and you can see this is one way, so you can move back here, and then from here come down. So keep going straight from here. Straight. And straight from here, and then from here we can go this way on 3A315. So go straight from here, and I'm gonna again zoom out. Right, so we can go down from here. So we can go all the way down. So just follow this arrow as well. So just go down from here, and then again from here we can go straight, so we can see our point here. Okay, now because we need to get to this point, if we come this way, then we won't be able to go to this point because this is a one way, so we can't turn left from here. However, if we go down from here, then we can take this road here in, and then we can join from here and come up, and then simply go this way and click on your point. So that's how we can get to this point. So it's been in the exam a few times, so you just need to focus on the route, find the best and the direct route. Okay, thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel and like our videos. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video.